Choosing a hosting provider for your website. When it comes to choosing a hosting provider for your website, there are countless options available. Each provider offers different features and services, making it crucial to find the one that best suits your specific needs. In this article, we will explore the top hosting providers and help you determine which one is right for you. One of the most popular hosting providers is Bluehost. Known for its excellent customer service and reliable uptime, Bluehost is a great option for both beginners and experienced website owners. They offer a wide range of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. With their user-friendly interface and one-click WordPress installation, Bluehost makes it easy to get your website up and running in no time. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, HostGator is worth considering. With their affordable pricing plans and unlimited bandwidth, HostGator is a popular choice for small businesses and personal websites. They also offer a 45-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try their services risk-free. HostGator's cPanel control panel makes managing your website a breeze, and their 24/7 customer support ensures that help is always just a phone call away. For those in need of a hosting provider specifically designed for e-commerce websites, Shopify is the way to go. With its easy-to-use interface and a wide range of customizable themes, Shopify allows you to create a professional-looking online store in just a few clicks. They also offer secure payment gateways and integration with popular e-commerce tools, making it simple to manage your inventory, process orders, and track sales. If speed and performance are your top priorities, SiteGround is an excellent choice. With their state-of-the-art infrastructure and SSD storage, SiteGround ensures that your website loads quickly and efficiently. They also offer a built-in caching system and a content delivery network, CDN, to further enhance your website's speed. In addition, SiteGround provides top-notch security measures, including daily backups and free SSL certificates to keep your website safe from hackers. For those who have outgrown shared hosting and need more resources, InMotion Hosting is a reliable option. With their powerful servers and generous resource allocations, InMotion Hosting offers excellent performance for websites with high traffic. They also provide a free website migration service, making it easy to transfer your existing website to their platform. InMotion Hosting's 24/7 customer support and 90-day money-back guarantee ensure that you are well taken care of. Lastly, if you are a developer or tech-savvy individual looking for complete control over your hosting environment, DigitalOcean is the provider for you. Known for their cloud infrastructure and scalable solutions, DigitalOcean allows you to customize your server configuration and scale your resources as needed. They offer a simple and intuitive control panel, as well as a wide range of pre-configured one-click applications to streamline your development process. In conclusion, choosing the right hosting provider is essential for the success of your website. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced website owner, there is a hosting provider out there that can meet your specific needs. Consider factors such as pricing, customer support, performance, and scalability when making your decision. By doing thorough research and assessing your requirements, you can ensure that you select the best hosting provider for your website.